Friday and it's raining. Oh man. How are we supposed to work?
I think we sell the cable for about, this is our, no...
Man, great minds think alike.
No scratch steering wheel puller.
I think I even use yellow.
Okay, this is gonna work, okay? Oh yeah, I mean it's not gonna be easy. Okay. Yeah!
In mine when I did the
Oh, boo.
Will the zip ties hold? Ooh. Oh.
No, they will not.
Yeah, I felt them.
Dang. That's too quick. What's that? That's probably the steering wheel.
Yeah,
it is.
That's it.
Yeah.
Popped off.
All right.
Alright, let's see. I want to show you how Tesla crimps their cables. They don't do it like us. Check out this thing. See that? It looks like those are sonically welded. Also, just like their battery. Crazy. There's like 400 kilowatts that goes through this tiny cable. Double shielded cable. Watch out with my motor. Be careful with it.
Electric forklift driving the electric drivetrain.
Yep. Just take Nissan off and put Tesla in there.
This is the racing version.
Oh, the GTR version. That's right. So let's talk about the next project. What else are we gonna work on? How about this guy? So that's right, folks. This Jeep right here is going to be the next project. We're going to be working on that in the next couple of weeks. Look at that. 2 AC76 motors. The only thing I have to do now is put a plate to put all the controllers and the contactor box. And then that's it. Here's all the stuff. Been rearranging it. Yeah. So that's coming up. What else is going on? Let's go outside.
It's got 2 more gears back here on the transfer case, right? So that gives it a total of 10 speeds. And it's a synchro mesh gearbox back here, so you can shift all through 10 on the fly.
What did you do to it? Where's the rest of it?
You need to lighten it up a little bit.
Some hot.
So people were wondering what's going to happen with this vehicle.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they asked in the comments.
They asked in the comments what's going to happen with it.
Yeah.
All right, well, 140 kilowatt, 84 kilowatt hour onboard battery, 18650 Teslas, 132 kilowatt hour battery in the trailer that I stole the idea blatantly from a guy named Jehu Garcia. And,
wait, 100 and what?
132 kilowatt hour.
No, that's not right.
Yeah, no,
13
I went up last night.
Oh.
Yeah, I went up another 12 because I measured it again, and I was like, instead of 4 packs of 10, remember I was telling you it's going to be like our Powerwall. That's actually 11.
That's 11.
So
yeah,
44 times 3 is 132.
Okay. So you're going big on this project.
Is a track?
Oh, should we be talking? Should we? Yeah. We have some competition. Some other.
Shh, here, turn around. Here, let's do a 360.
No.
Tim's here, just let's do a 360. Cars, junk pile, Beatles, more cars. Look at over here.
I decided unilaterally that I'm gonna go metric.
You're going to
I
what?
think
I'm
they're
gonna go
be
metric.
out.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this.
It's the only thing that makes sense. Standard is just like.
Speak slower. Lower. Let's go check it out. So I got some competition. There's some other filmmakers here.
Yeah, I'm really not a car guy. We grew up with these. Our neighbors have them. My parents bought one back in the 50s to save money on gas. And I've loved them, but...
Barely. Today is going to be a very short video. It's just a quick question someone asked in the comments. Someone asked, they live in a place where the sun is not strong enough, and they were wondering if they can supplement their energy production by getting one of those bicycles with a generator on it and just cycling. And so I think that's a very good question. After all, remember about a year ago, this video popped up.
We've invented a hybrid bicycle that you pedal for an hour and you have electricity for 24 hours. You have this, you will never run out of electricity. The only side effect is you get stronger and healthier.
It was a viral video went on, and it basically claimed that it could potentially run your entire home by you pedaling for 1 hour. How would you explain bottom balancing to those that don't know what that is?
Oh, really? You're going to put me on the spot like that? You're like, who is that guy?
Not here. So we're back here in San Diego once again, and I think Michael got a new toy.
Pin scour. The rapid pace of progress in modern life means ever greater demands in the field of transportation. The latest development of Steyr Daimler Puch, the pin scour, named after a hardy and reliable breed of Alpine